Hello everybody, Caleb here with Remax, and welcome to Cranston. This is a master planned, family-oriented community with a ton to offer. Now, when I say a family-oriented community, you may be wondering what I'm talking about, so let me show you. The Century Hall features 7 acres of fun. There's a full-size gymnasium, a water park, some tennis courts, a basketball court, a hockey rink, and it's perfect for families to enjoy. Now, conveniently located in the center of the community is the Cranston Market, which is home to your favorite shopping stores, cafes, bars, restaurants, and all the amenities that you need very close to home. Now, the access in this community is perfect. There's 3 different bus routes. It borders on to Deerfoot and the south side of Stony Trail, so it's very convenient to get all across the city, as well as out of the city to your favorite destinations. And of course, there are several schools, including this newly finished kindergarten to grade 6, which is only about 1 block away from 99 Cranford Close, a fantastic starter home that we're just putting on the market. And maybe enough of me talking, I'll see you on over there. Welcome everybody, thank you for coming. I love this home. It was really designed around the modern family. There's over 1,700 square feet of living space. Because it's quite new, there's higher ceilings, a lot of windows, and some really large windows, so there's some great natural light. I love this open concept layout. The kitchen was really made to entertain. Love these islands, I find we use them so often. There's granite countertops, maple cabinetry, a brand new stainless steel stove, and it sides on to my favorite part of the home, which is probably this huge pie-shaped backyard. It's all ready for your double or triple garage. There's a newer fence and deck, good place for the fire pit, and I think my favorite part is that there's actually no neighbors behind you. Coming in, there's a half bathroom right off the back door. This would be what your guests would use, which makes it quite convenient. Basement was just finished. It's all brand new. This is a great living space, or could multi-purpose as another bedroom. There's a half bathroom here, which is also brand new. And the laundry room was all freshened up as well with newer flooring and lights and a lot of extra storage space. Now, upstairs features 2 large children's bedrooms. There's ample room for a dresser, a desk, a lot of storage and closet space. The children would share this full bathroom here, which is quite consistent with the downstairs cabinetry as well. Now, check out this master retreat. It's huge. There's a walk-in closet, as well as a full ensuite. And of course, it does get a lot of nice light. It's bright and airy in here as well. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're looking for a starter home or a great community to raise a family in, this just might be the one to look at. If you guys have any questions or would like to book a viewing, you know where to find me. Thanks for watching.